the refrigerator red indicator light came on and we couldn't turn it off. It was very annoying and frustrating. We tried several button combinations to cancel it, but they didn't work. We located the filter in the top right inside towards the back of our refrigerator. We squeezed the tabs on both sides and opened the door. Once the old filter was exposed, we pulled it down. To remove it, we turned it counterclockwise or to the left. Then we gently pulled the filter straight out. The old water filter shows that it is an XWFE genuine GE water filter. We noticed that there's two uneven holes on the fridge filter connection. The top hole is smaller than the bottom hole. So we turned the new water filter and installed it with the small hole on top and the larger hole below it. We pushed the filter into the cartridge section on the refrigerator until it clicked. Gave it a quarter turn to the right until it was secure and pushed it up into the brace to lock it. We shut the filter door and we heard a beep on the refrigerator, but that wasn't the end. In case you're wondering, yes, it did remove the red indicator light, but now we needed to remove 2 gallons of water from the refrigerator and new filter. We let the unfiltered water run into the container until it was completely filled with new water. After filling the container once, we did it again from the bottom to the halfway mark and to the top. This only took a few minutes. Let me know in the comments, what are some of the things you can do with the unfiltered water from your refrigerator? Now we want to show you a few things we found on the filter. It has 2 different sized holes you should be aware of during installation. There's an arrow that lets you know which end should be inserted into the refrigerator filter cartridge. The GE logo helps to verify your refrigerator brand. And the filter states that it's easy to install or replace. And this is great if you want to maintain peak performance. This filter should be replaced every 6 months or 200 gallons, whichever comes first. I like how easy it is to remove and install it. We really like this water filter, and if you're looking for a good one, we recommend it because it removed the red indicator light from the refrigerator and it works.